Every year several scholars get PhD from different universities in India in math, science and technology. But quite a few of them apply for IPR registration to create opportunity of its commercial value and serve the society with new developments. Thus, their research outcome goes waste. Through this video we motivate people to get IPR for their innovations. In 2008, Professor Mahajan obtained IPR for Global Math by HRD Ministry, New Delhi. It has following salient features. The need of measuring angles in field surveys is completely eliminated. Therefore, instruments like total station, theodolite and auto level are discarded. In new concept, the angle between two adjacent sides is computable. Statement of the problem: determine radius of a wire ring having chords AB is equal to 7, AC is equal to 10, AD is equal to 11.35 and A is equal to 5 centimeters from observed data shown in the figure. Name the polygon formed by joining lines AB, BC, CD, D and EA. Use geometry software to compute necessary data. The solution of given problem is explained in following steps. 1. To determine the radius of the circle passing through points A, B, C, D and E, pick up the largest and smallest chord to be used in the data processing by geometry software. It is chord A is equal to 5 centimeters and B is equal to AD is equal to 11.35 centimeters. The extract of software result is shown in the next slide. Step 2. Use the formula shown below to determine the radius r of the circle by substituting values of chords A and B. Radius r of the circle is found is equal to 6.73 centimeters. It is further corrected in the software. The extract of software processing is shown in this slide. Resulted data are: angle between chord A and chord B is equal to 79.29 degrees. Computed chord C is equal to 10.50 centimeters. Thus, corrected radius of the circle is equal to 6.82 centimeters. With above data, the polygon pentagon A, B, C, D, E can be drawn. Through this activity, we have explained the use of new equation of the circle for which we obtained the IPR. Interested math, science and engineering graduates and teachers may contact us for the mission to obtain IPR. Contact details are given on the screen and email your ID to join our online training classes for IPR. Please subscribe the channel and forward the video to your friends who may be keen to become IPR holder. Thank you.